Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. Look at these beautiful planters. I love these things. They are a little dirty because I've been using them. I haven't washed them off, but I want to tell you all about these planters. These planters are lovely. What I love most about them is that they are self-watering. That little string there that you put in there and then you click the bottom on and you put the spout on, you can put water in the bottom of this and that rope will water and hydrate your plants for a long time. The sun won't dry it out. That is absolutely wonderful. I love the growth that my plants are going to have with this thing. They were very easy to put together. It comes with instructions that are easy to read. And look how cute they are. They're wonderful. They come in different sizes, so I was able to use different plants in different planters. And like I said, they were very easy to use. You just put them together with the string in them, and then you fill them with dirt and your flower and watch them bloom. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? I love that little orange flower. Also, these come in different colors that you can choose from. I got them in this little lime green color, but they were very easy to water. You just fill the spout with water and it goes into the bottom reservoir, and then you're good for a long time. So you can't beat that. These planters are absolutely beautiful. They have given my front porch the little pop that I was looking for. They're functional, they're adorable, and that's my point of view.